folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys how to use your damper controls on the MBS Magnum cook stove. That is this one right here. We are going to have 3 simple damper controls on the Magnum cook stove. Let's start with our primary air control, which you are going to want wide open when you are initially starting your fire. This one is going to be this wheeled damper located directly below your firebox. Now, especially if you're burning coal in your stove, it's really important to have that combustion air coming up underneath, otherwise your coals will not ignite. Even just when burning wood, it makes it much easier to get your fire started with the underneath combustion air coming from underneath your firebox grate. Now, your secondary damper control is going to be located here on the top of the stove, directly above the firebox door. When it is pushed to the left-hand side of the stove when facing the front, you're going to be wide open. You want this to be wide open when you are starting your fire. Also, the majority of the time while you're burning the stove, this will be at least somewhat open. Generally, you don't want to close it completely. If you close it completely, you will obtain the longest burn times. However, you will notice that your glass will get dirty. That is because you've completely shut down this top air control. Now, it is pretty easy to just clean your glass in the morning. You can actually do it with leftover ash from the firebox, or you can choose to use a cleaning product. Otherwise, you can opt to keep this open. Now, if you're going to slow down your fire to get longer burn times, the first damper control that you're going to want to adjust is your primary air here on the bottom. You'll see how the burn goes, and then from there, you may adjust it down here. Now, your third and final damper control is going to be your oven control, which is located here on the top of the stove. When it is pulled out, you are going to be in heating or cooking mode. That means that the heat from the fire is going up the chimney. When you are starting your stove, you want to have this damper control out because the air is not flowing yet. The smoke is also dirty at the initial time of the light. You want to send all of that dirty smoke up the chimney. You don't want to circulate that around your oven. You don't actually want to push in and close and activate your oven. So once this knob is pushed in, now you are officially in baking mode. You only want to activate the oven if you are actually baking. I see some people who activate the oven and then open the oven to get more heat out of the stove, and that's not necessary. If you do that, you send more smoke around the oven and you will have more creosote buildup. You will have to clean out your oven more than you would otherwise have to do. So you only want to activate this when you are baking. So that is how you use your damper controls on the MBS Magnum cook stove. I hope that these videos were helpful for you today. If you enjoy the videos, if they are informational, educational, and helpful, please give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Even better, share them with a friend. That especially helps me. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Have a wonderful day.